Now we see the example number 19 in the exercise 5.4. Here D minus 1,8 E 4, minus 2 and F minus 5, minus 3 are the midpoints of sides BC, CA and AB of triangle ABC respectively. Then find number 1, equations of sides of triangle ABC, and second example, coordinates of the circumcenter of triangle A, B and C. Okay. Now here two questions. Here the examples of the circumcenter we have already seen in the previous lecture. This circumcenter is a point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors of the triangle. Now first we find the equation of sides of ABC. Okay. Now equation of sides here given that D minus 1,8 E 4, minus 2 and F minus 5, 3 are midpoints of sides BC, CA and AB respectively. Okay. Now here the triangle, it is a triangle A, B and it is C. Here given that the midpoint of sides, here midpoint of side AB, it is a midpoint F, midpoint of side AB it is a F minus 5, minus 3. Midpoint of side CA it is a E 4, minus 2 and midpoint of side BC it is a point D 1, minus 8. It is a given. The first question is we want to find the equation of sides of the triangle. That means we find the equation of AB, equation of BC and equation of AC. Okay, we know that to find the equation of any line we want to find the slope and point, that is the point to intercept from, or the 2 points on the line. Okay, now here we know that E, F and D are the midpoints of the sides of the triangle. Therefore we know that it is a line segment joining the midpoints of the any two sides of triangle. It is a parallel to the third side. Okay, it is a theorem in the class 10. Okay, line segment joining the midpoints of any two sides of the triangle is parallel to the third side. That means we know that slope of these two lines, slope of EF or FE, slope of EF and slope of BC is the same. Here it is a slope of EF passing through 2 points. We know the slope. It is a slope of EF and EF is parallel to BC. Therefore, we know the slope of BC. We know that the slope of BC and BC passing through the point D. D is a midpoint of point line side BC. Therefore, BC passing through point D. Then we know the point and slope, and then we find the equation of line BC. Okay, EF is parallel to BC. Therefore, slope of BC is known, and point D is a given. Therefore, we find the equation of BC by using the formula slope point form of the line. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, and in the same pattern, okay, in the same way, we find the equation of AC. That means AC is a parallel to FD and AB is a parallel to, it is ED. Okay, now we find one by one. Okay, first we find the equation of BC. Okay, here we find the example first. Okay, here D, E, F are the midpoints. Here in triangle ABC, it is E and F are midpoints of sides. E is a midpoint of AC and AB respectively. Okay. Therefore, EF is parallel to third side, that is BC. Therefore, EF or FE. Okay. Therefore, EF is a parallel to third side, that is a BC. Okay. Therefore, we find first slope of EF, then we find the slope. Therefore, slope of EF is equal to slope of EF y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. It is EF y2 minus y1, that is minus 3 minus 2 upon x2 minus x1, and that is equal to, here it is minus 1 upon minus 9, that is 1 by 9. Okay. 1 by 9, it is a slope of EF. Therefore, slope of BC is 1 by 9 because both are the parallel. Slope of BC is 1 by 9 and BC through point D, that is minus 1 by 1,8. Then we know the slope of BC and point on the BC. Therefore, equation of BC. Equation of BC is y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1. Now we calculate this. Therefore, you can write 9y minus 72, okay, is equal to x plus 1. Okay, that is x minus 9y. It is x minus 9y minus 73 is equal to 0. It is the equation of BC. X minus 9y minus 73. Okay, it is equation of BC. Now, first it is E and F are the midpoint. Now we take E and D are the midpoints. That means ED is parallel to AB. Here, and it is E and D are midpoints of sides. E is a midpoint of side AC and BC in triangle ABC respectively, and therefore ED parallel to AB. Okay, E and D are midpoint of AC and BC, therefore it is a third side parallel. ED parallel to AB. Now therefore slope of it is ED is equal to ED, it is E and D. Okay. Therefore y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay. It is 10 upon minus 5, and that means minus 2. It is a slope of ED. Okay. See carefully. Okay. It is a slope of ED. Now, therefore, slope of AB. Slope of AB is minus 2 and passing through AB, passing through point F, it is minus 5 comma. Therefore, equation of AB, it is y minus y1, that is y plus 3 point minus 5 comma minus 3 is equal to slope into x minus x1, again it is plus 5, that is it is minus 5. Then therefore equation of AB, we can write here y plus 3 is equal to minus 2x minus 10, that is equation of AB is 2x plus y, it is 2x plus y plus 13 is equal to 0. Okay, here it is a one equation of one side, it is equation of second. Okay, see carefully. Now last, it is FD. FD is parallel to AC. It is, and it is for the FD. Okay, F and D are midpoints of sides. F, it is a midpoint of AB, and D is midpoint of BC of triangle ABC respectively. Okay. Therefore, FD parallel to the third side, that is AC. Okay. And therefore slope of AC is equal to slope of FD, and that is equal to slope of AC, it is FD, it is F and D. Now y2 minus y1, sorry, y2 minus y1, that is 3. Okay. y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. And it is 11 upon 4. It is minus 5, it is plus 5. Okay. 11 upon 4, it is a slope of AC, and AC passing through point F. Therefore, equation of AC, which through F, and that is F, it is minus 5 comma minus 3. Sorry, we want to find the equation of AC which through point E, which is 4 comma minus 2. Okay. Now equation of AC guy, y minus y1, that is plus 2 is equal to 11 upon 4 slope into x minus x1. Okay. And therefore we can write 4y plus 8 is equal to 11x minus 1, 11 into it is 44. Okay, 11x and minus 44, and therefore equation of AC, it is 11x minus 4y and 8 yes side like, therefore minus 53 is equal to 0. It is a equation of third side. Okay, it is a first question. The equation of all sides of the triangle A, B and C, triangle ABC. Okay, here we find the equation. We given that the midpoints of the sides. Okay, midpoint of sides, that means the midpoint lie on the side, that is sides of the triangle passing through the midpoints. Okay, then we want to find the just the slope of the lines. Therefore, the condition line segment joining the midpoints of sides of the triangle is parallel to the third side. This condition, using this condition, we find the equation of all sides. Okay, now the second, find the coordinate of the circumcenter, it is the point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors. Okay, perpendicular bisectors means we want to find the equation of perpendicular bisector which is passing through point D and perpendicular to the line BC. Okay, now here we erase it for the second example. Here, for the second example, we can write equations of all sides. Okay, here, equation of sides. Okay, equation of sides, it is BC, AB, and AC, respectively are. Okay, BC, equation of BC. It is equation of BC, x minus 9y minus 73 is equal to 0. Equation of BC. Now, equation of AB. We want to find equation of AB. It is 2x plus y plus 13 is equal to 0. And last equation of AC. Okay, it is equation of AC. It is 11x minus 4y minus 53 is equal to 0. Okay, it is the answer of the first question, that is the equation of sides of the triangle. Now we have to find the coordinate of the circumcenter. Now we want to find the coordinate of the circumcenter. Okay, circumcenter, it is a point of intersection of perpendicular bisector. That means here it is a perpendicular bisector through AD. We want to find the perpendicular bisector which passing through point D. D is a midpoint. Okay, and perpendicular to BC. Okay, then again we find the perpendicular bisector here, this. Okay, and we want to find the point of intersection. Okay, this point of intersection. Okay, here we can erase the parallel lines for the first example. Okay, see carefully only the perpendicular bisectors. Okay, here these are the perpendicular bisectors, and we want to find the coordinate of point of intersection of perpendicular bisector. Now we know the equation of BC, and here the perpendicular bisector of BC is perpendicular to BC and passing through point D. Okay, we know the slope of BC, then we find the slope of perpendicular bisector, and then slope of perpendicular bisector and passing through point, it is, then we would get the equation of first perpendicular bisector. Now of lines. Okay, here therefore slope of BC, okay, is, or directly we can write equal to slope of BC. It is BC, line BC, first line BC, second AB, and third AC. Slope of BC, it is a 1/9. Okay, then slope of AB, it is -2, and slope of AC is, slope of AC, it is 11/4. Okay, now we want to find the equation of perpendicular bisector of side BC. Okay, that means perpendicular bisector, it is a perpendicular to BC, and slope of BC, it is 1 by 9. Therefore, the slope of perpendicular bisector, it is a minus 9, and it is perpendicular bisector of side AC. Okay, it is a slope of AC, it is 1 by 11 by 4. Therefore, slope of perpendicular bisector of AC, it is a minus 4 by 11, and BC passing through point D and AC passing through point E. Then we get the equations of perpendicular bisectors of side BC and side AC. And then the point of intersection, it is the circumcenter of the triangle. Now here, now perpendicular bisector, slope of perpendicular bisector. Now slope of perpendicular bisector of side BC is minus 9. Okay, it is a slope minus 9, which through D minus 1 comma 8. Okay, therefore its equation, okay, here slope of perpendicular bisector, it is minus 9 and which passing through minus 1 comma 8. Okay, therefore its equation, that means equation of perpendicular bisector, is y minus y1, it is 8, is equal to slope into x minus x1, it is a plus 1. Then this can be written as y minus 8 is equal to minus 9x and minus 9. Okay, that is, it is 9x minus y, 9x minus y. Okay, and 18 minus 9, here it is a plus 1, is equal to 0. It is equation number 1, that is 9x minus y plus 1. Okay, plus 1, 9x plus y here, it is plus y, because 9x take here, it is a plus minus 8 and 9 becomes plus, therefore it is plus 1. Now it is equation of side bisector. Okay, it is equation of perpendicular bisector of side BC. Okay, of triangle ABC. Now we find the equation of second perpendicular bisector of side EC. Okay, and slope of perpendicular bisector of side AC is, the slope of AC, it is 11 by 4, therefore slope of perpendicular line, it is minus 4 by 11, which through E 4 comma minus 2. Okay, and therefore its equation, it is a perpendicular bisector of side AC. Y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1, and then this can be written as here 11y plus 22 is equal to minus 4x and plus 16, and therefore 4x plus 11y, 4x plus 11y, and 16 becomes here minus plus 6 is equal to 0. It is equation number 2. Okay, it is a perpendicular bisector of side AC, it is perpendicular bisector of side BC. Okay, therefore circumcenter is the point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors of sides BC and AC. Okay. Therefore, to find the point of intersection, we solve the equation number 1 and 2. Here, equation 1 and 2. Therefore, L11 into equation number 1 minus equation 2, this gives. Okay, see carefully. L11 into equation number 1, that is 99x plus L11y and plus L11 is equal to 0. Equation number 2, it is 4x plus L11y plus 6 is equal to 0, and then it is subtract. It is minus, this minus. Now here 99 minus 4, it is 95. X is cancel and it is plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, see carefully. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5 upon 95, and that means minus 1 by 19. See carefully. X is equal to minus 1 by 19, and therefore find the value of y by using here equation 1 or 2, by 2 or by equation number 1. It is 9 into minus 1 by 19 plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, and this can be here y is equal to, it is plus 1, y is equal to minus 1 plus 9 upon 19. See carefully. It is minus 9 upon 19. Here become plus 1, here become minus, and therefore it is minus 19 plus 9, it is minus 10 by 19. It is the value of x minus 1 by 19 and value of y minus 10 by 19, and therefore coordinates of circumcenter of triangle ABC are minus 1 by 19 and minus 10 by 19. Minus 1 by 19 and minus 10 by 19. It is a coordinate of the circumcenter. Okay, see carefully all here. Okay. We have used the concept of perpendicular line and passing through point for the equation of line. Okay, see carefully all this.